Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. And Bitcoin is at 86,858, and a lot of scenarios have been playing out. I've actually gone on into my history, and I've been looking at so many videos about Bitcoin, and one of them being Elon Musk is warning about the bear markets. It started off with this video where I explained Adam and Eve explained, and we were trading at 90 something, 94,000, and then it was double top to go to 77k. We reached that on Thursday. We made this video, and we made a $300,000 loading previously. So if you go back and you kind of like watch all these videos that I've been predicting, they have been really good so far. Welcome back to Bitcoin. Finally, we have filled the CME gap. Then it should be in anytime soon. Okay, we have this little. Is I want to draw this RSI, and you can see the RSI is beautifully filled. So to me, this is the bottom, and anyone who had the stop losses here, that's taken away. Could it be a good opportunity for you to buy? Yes, it could be. I think definitely try it out. And that's the double bottom. It does look like a solid double bottom is being formed. 1, 2, go back up here, come up there, break here, move up, and Bitcoin can start to flow one more time. And in the future, this scenario is where we'll see Bitcoin at $116,000. All right, I'm not gonna get into it too much, but hey, this video was 9 days ago. Okay, so 9 days ago, and if you took the trade, it was good. It was at $79,000, and we were talking about moving back to 94k. We're so far sitting at 96k, so from here we're actually 10% up. On the Discord, I've given a free trade of WIF, and that actually pumped up 17 to 20%, and it's still actually pumping. On the private, we have another win, and that's actually 17%. And speaking of private, Q2 is opened up, April is opened up, and we have 10 more days to close for you to join. Now, as I showed you in that video 9 days ago, just a little bit back here, as you can see this comment that I made about the double bottom. So that's the scenario. Okay, that's the scenario. So it's a video from 9 days ago, and it's still applicable until this very date. So all you did is you went from that 79k, you've actually reached this price target. The good thing about it is that Bitcoin has this ascending triangle. So there's a little bit of retest you can expect, and then the ascending triangle technical target is going to be from the top to the bottom, and you can actually expect to see Bitcoin nearly coming up to $94,000. Now again, we still need to see Bitcoin coming up and break above here to kind of fulfill this double bottom technical target, and then it can actually move to $116,000 in the future. So that's all for the very quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.